Alright, hi, I'm Alexa Sims, and this is my reflection over my teaching lesson, which was a geography lesson. So, what went well? I thought the students enjoyed the lesson. They participated a lot, and I asked them if they enjoyed the lesson, and they said yes. They liked the coloring pages that went along with it, and just being able to teach using those coloring pages really helped because they had the visual in front of them, and then not only did we talk about it, but we did a little bit more hands-on by coloring them. The pictures that I also found on the internet that showed how big or the how big the continent was helped a lot too, because with continents such as Asia, being able to see where the continent starts and where it ends and where it splits from another continent such as Europe really helped. And being able to see kind of the animals, I tried to find on the internet the continent with different animals that lived in that place. So they were able to see a little bit more of what went on in that continent and how it was different from the others. The lesson contained good information and taught something that was useful to know. A lot of the things that I covered in my lesson will be needed for later on classes as the kids grow up. They were also able to talk to their friends about it and just see kind of how they were doing, and all of the continents had a certain color to go with it. So by using not only learning the continent, but also making sure that they knew their colors and things like that. Some things I would change were the examination at the end to see if they actually grasped the concept, and to test their knowledge. I said I would give them just another coloring page like that and have them do it on their own, but I would probably add some different things to it just to make sure that they know it, because like the longitude and latitude, it could be quizzed in a bunch of different ways, and as well as the continents could be. You could also incorporate another lesson within that of how all the continents were one together and they all split apart and moved, and how that's some of the geology in that. So more time, which I know this was a 45-minute lesson that we only spent 7 minutes on for the recording, but I would definitely try to expand that just a little bit, because there is so much that you could teach with that, and you could learn the continents, and then you could learn different things about each continent, such as culture and religion and different things that go on those continents, and how the climates are different because of the equator and the longitude and latitude and all that. I would also ask them more questions throughout to be able to test their knowledge to make them ready for the final examination. So